In this video, we're going to be changing the alternator on the 1 litre Ecoboost fitted to many Fords. It's located at the front here. It does look very difficult to remove, but following these instructions, you will be able to do it fairly easily. Before we start, we need to isolate the power. So remove the positive terminal from the battery and ensure that is permanently isolated. Then, to make things more accessible, we will need to remove the inner wheel arch liner, and you may prefer to remove the wheel also. Pull down firmly on the drive belt at the bottom and then using a suitable pin, locate it in the tensioner like so. Then remove the tensioner. Now the belt can easily be removed. In order to lower the alternator, we need to remove the air conditioning pump. This is easily done. Unclip the wiring harness, there are 2 multi-plugs, and then remove the 3 bolts holding the compressor in position, and then it will just lower down and hang out of the way. You don't need to remove the air conditioning pipes. You can now see how much extra space there is for the alternator. Unclip the wiring harness, then move back round the front side of the engine and remove the 2 retaining bolts holding the alternator in place. You will definitely notice that the alternator is very tight to remove, so using a suitable pry bar, steadily pry the alternator outwards, and once it's lowered you can remove the final wiring main lead on top of the alternator. It will be much easier once the alternator has been lowered. And that's it. Why not let me know how you got on with the job in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching. This has been How to Fix It. Why not take a look at our other Ecoboost videos up next. And we'll see you over there in a sec.